There was a time when Albatross, the cat, jumped onto their
Albatross?
sideboard. Yes. Albatross.
We thought that would be your name.
I'm Siva. The Albatross, the cat, jumped onto the sideboard with lots of expensive plates, and my dad started yelling at the cat and said, he knows he shouldn't go up there. And I said, well, Dad, he's a cat. How does he know not to go up there? But they've become more allowing to accept the cat's behavior.
Why? Because the cat doesn't yield to their demand. Because they want to love the cat. They want to love the cat. They want to love you too. They will yield to your alignment, not demands. The cat is not demanding. The cat's just being the natural cat. As you more and more allow yourself to be the natural you, it's our promise to you that their desire to love you will win out.